Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe.
Yoga of Imperishable Brahman, Chapter 8, Shloka 27-28.
Knowing these paths, O Parth, no yogi is deluded. Therefore, at all times, be steadfast in yoga, O Arjuna.
Chapter 8, Shloka 27. Naite shruti parthajanan yogi muhyati kaschana tasmat sarveshu kaleshu yoga yukto bhavarjuna.
Whatever fruit of merit is declared in the scriptures as springing up from study of the Vedas, from performance of sacrifices, from practice of austerities, and from charity, beyond all these goes the yogi who, having known the two paths, attains to the supreme primeval essence.
Chapter 8, Shloka 28. Vedeshu yajneshu tapassu chaiva daneshu yat punya phalam pradishtam atyedi tat sarvam idam viditva yogi param sthanam upaiti chadyam.
Chapter 8, Shloka 27 and 28. What is the gain in knowing these two paths and their eternal nature? One who knows these two paths and their eternal nature never despairs nor is deluded. A yogi is one who has withdrawn from his false identification and come to fix his mind in the single pointed contemplation of the self. Lord asks Arjuna to be a yogi. Even while acting in the world, he should continuously live in the awareness of divine through a process of selfless identification with the eternal, imperishable Purusha instead of identification with changing, perishable matter. Shloka 28. Lord points out that a sincere meditator gains the benefits of all the lower practices like study of scriptures, performance of sacrifices, practice of austerities and giving selfless charities, and even more. Meditation integrates the personality many times more efficiently than the above practices and brings in dispassion and discriminative thinking, provided one is sincere and regular. Thus, the meditator first gains the above efficiency and then, on continuing the practice, he learns to soar higher and higher until he comes to realize the self, the imperishable Purusha, and having attained his highest state, he never returns, says Lord Krishna. Learn more in the next chapter, The Royal Secret, in the next video. Om Tat Sat.
Online. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.